Today we're gonna see 4 methods to find micro niche topics, and these are the 4 methods. First one is affiliate network method, and second one is a Google Trends, and third one is a Pinterest trend, and fourth one I'm gonna show you a bunch of top profitable micro niches step by step live, where you can take leverage and write blogs and make profits. So we're gonna look at first one, which is a affiliate network method. When I say affiliate network method, what you want to do is go to marketplace, affiliate marketplace, such as ClickBank, Digistore24 or Warrior Plus. What you want to do is go to the top offers and see which one has gravity score higher. Now you can go here, go to the gravity, and you can set the minimum. Now I'm just going to leave it like that, and here I'm going to sort gravity high to low. Now when I say gravity, what it means is a score based on number of unique affiliate generating sales, which means if the gravity score is high, that means many people are buying it. Okay, a lot of people are promoting it and many people are buying it, right? The conversions are great. Now what I want to do is go to the higher gravity score and specifically look for if this keyword is ranking directly on Google or not. When it comes to this product, right? So let me just open this and see what this is about. So right now you can see this landing page. It looks like, so this landing page looks like it is targeting people who want to burn more calories. Now I'm gonna take this keyword burn more calories and see if it has enough search volume or not. Now right now you can see I searched on SEMrush burn more calories, and you can see there's a traffic, right? So the total volume of traffic is 98,000 clicks, search traffic, and the keywords are 6,000 keywords. Now what you want to do is go to the keyword intent, which is very easy, and here you will find a low keyword difficulty keywords, and you can write topics. Now if you see this properly, these are like high search intent, which means these are super long tail keywords. So long tail keywords are basically nothing but targeting for a specific one person. So these are very high intent. Now even the CPMs of ad is going to be lot because this keyword is very high search intent. Now you can also put these keywords inside the FAQs, frequently asked questions, so it's up to you. And you can see you can also iterate, so you can just burn calories. If I just type in burn calories and hit enter, and you will also get a lot of keyword variations, and you can try these keywords, okay, and make sure it is related. Okay, if you want to check the related keywords, you can go here. By the way, the link to this tool will be in a description. You'll get a free 7-day free trial with using my link. So of course it's an affiliate link, so with that being said, you can check that out. The link will be in the description. Now that is how you take leverage of affiliate networks and keywords and reverse engineer if it has a keyword density and volume or not. So if the keyword doesn't have a volume and if the keyword doesn't have many variations and people are not searching for it, you don't want to touch that keyword. Now you will also have other categories. Right now you can see at the side you have arts and entertainment, betting systems, and business and investing, and computers and internet, cooking, food and wine, e-business and e-marketing. You can write, you can check this out. Okay, health and fitness has 500 products. So it's a cool strategy to get to know micro niches. That is one method which I call affiliate network method, and the second one is Google Trends method. What you want to do is go to the trends.google.com, and here you simply type in a keyword, something like, so let's just say this one, right? So you can see this. If I go here to the filters and select the whole worldwide and past 12 months, and it should not be, somewhere not continuous, right? So this is not continuous. So instead, if I type in gift ideas for the past 12 months, you can see this is what somewhat continuous, but this is not that continuous as it seems. Now let me just type in another keyword, which is going to be One Piece, which is a anime subject. Now it is consistent as possible. Now this is a keyword, this is a seed keyword which we can target. Now we can take this keyword into the SEMrush. Now you can take it to the SEMrush and gather some keywords. So you can also find long tail keywords with this seed keyword and iterate through variations and get the keywords and create it as one of the micro blog niche. So that's how we do it. The third method is Pinterest trends method. What you want to do is go to the Pinterest. So go to the Pinterest and here you will go to the Pinterest trends. And what you want to do is you want to go to the top trends in the United States and see if you can branch out any micro blog. So if I come to outfit ideas, if I click on outfit ideas, and you can see the traffic is very consistent. Now what you want to do is, if you go to related trends, each one of these is a micro blog topic. Now you can pick anyone, so such as outfit ideas winter, and you can pick this, and you can also pick this comfy outfits, and you can write blog topics on it. Of course there are some keywords which gonna be seasonal, just like a winter keyword. And if I come down, you can see all the Pinterest pins for inspiration. Now if I go to the one of the pin and see if there is any blog, I can replicate that. If I go click on here and there's telling me to visit the site, and if I go to the site, and you can see they have written a complete blog, and you can take inspiration just like that. Okay, now that is what I call Pinterest trends method. Now if you want to find top profitable micro niches, let me know in the comments. I'll make a full video about it. And with that being said, catch you on the next one.